Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question it is told that a body is moving on a horizontal table with a constant velocity. Then we have to tell that in equilibrium which of the following is correct. As we know that for neutral equilibrium, the weight always acts through the point of contact. Now if a body is moving in on a horizontal table with constant speed or constant velocity, then equilibrium is neutral equilibrium, because this is our body, and as we can say that the weight is passing through this point, that is mg, and there is a normal force on this direction. Now as we can say that this body is moving in this direction, let with a constant speed, so in this direction there is these two forces balanced to each other and there is no force in this direction, so we can say that net force on horizontal direction is equals to this is 0. So we can say that from here mass into acceleration, this is 0, or acceleration of the body is 0. As acceleration is 0, so we can say that this is dv by dt is equals to 0, or we can say that velocity is constant. So we can say that in neutral equilibrium there is no force in horizontal direction, so body will move with constant speed velocity. So for that option C is the correct choice. Thank you.